Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I want to show you how to add partial screenshot to sidebar. Okay, so let's access Smart Sidebar by swiping from the right side of your screen, and now we want to select Edit button. So now under the section Tools, you want to find Partial Screenshot, which is this blue icon, but if you do not see it, you can use the searching bar, type Partial Screenshot, and you will see this blue icon. So let's add it by tapping this plus button. And as you can see, it appears right here, and let's save it by tapping Done button. And as you can see, here is my partial screenshot feature in my sidebar. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.